Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the 1.8 volt power supply design by using LTSpice, and we will understand how we will generate 1.8 volt by using ADP2138 IC. We will also see the data sheet of ADP2138. We will run the simulation and we will see the voltage at switch node, the output voltage and the output current, right? So guys, I would request you please join the channel membership. If you click at this join button, you can find the many option here. Like if you want to opt the branch, if you click at here at the branch, and if you go and click at this join button, by clicking at this join button you can find the payment option and you can make a payment and you can join the channel membership. Okay, this would be very helpful to produce video in the near future, and it will also support me financially, right? So in the same time I'll be giving the access of all the LTSpice file you required. Okay, I will also support you in terms of technically if you need any support, right? So let's be back on the circuit now. Okay, so at the end I will upload this as ESC file in the Google Drive, and I will share the link in the description, so you can go and download this file and you can play with this circuit. Okay, so as you can see here, this is chip ADP2138 which generate 1.8 volt. So first we need to understand what is the application of 1.8 volt. So basically this is 1.8 volt CMOS. Uh, the application of 1.8 volt in the CMOS circuit, it is also used in the microprocessor to drive the microprocessor, or right, are the power supply of the microprocessor, and in other many application you can find. Okay, so if you go and look the data sheet of one ADP2138, let me go and show you. So this is the data sheet of ADP2138, sorry, 2138 and 2139. You can find this is compact 800 milliampere 3 megahertz step down DC to DC converter, and you can find here its input voltage is 2.3 volt to 5.5 volt. You can achieve the efficiency of 95%. All right, and if you go and see the application here, you can find the application is PDN, like computers, wireless handset, digital audio, portable media players, digital camera, GPS navigation unit, right? And the most important thing is here. If you see here, the ADP 3138 2138 are available in the fixed output voltage of 3.3 volt, 3 volt, 2.8, 2.5, 1.8, 1.5, 1.2, 1 and 0.8. So this is very important. By using the same series of ADP2138, you can generate any of these voltages as per your requirement. If you want to study the detailed data sheet of ADP2138, you can go and study the typical application circuit. We can see here here at the input pin, it's showing that you can apply 2.3 volt to 5.5 volt, and the capacitor is 4.7 volt. And enable application of enable pin, application of mode pin, ground is ground. And you can see here at the output at the switch pin, it is 1 microfarad inductor is connected. Then V out is, you can find the V out, and the capacitor here is 4.7 microfarad. So let us come back in our application. The same here, our input is 5 volt, and we input signal and mode we tied together and coupled with V in pin, and this is ground. And you can see here 1 microfarad inductor, and here the capacitor, output capacitor, and the load value. Okay, so let me run the simulation now. So I will run the simulation. So this is the simulation. Let me tile the window vertically and let me show you the voltage at this node. So this is basically a switching frequency. Okay, how your this circuit switches at this point. Okay, so this is very important. Here you can see the frequency of switching for your application. If you further zoom it, you can find the switching frequency. Okay, so you can find this switching frequency. You can also find the what is the switching frequency of this node. Okay, and this is voltage at this switch node. So voltage at this node SW is like this. If you want to look the output voltage, let me show you the output voltage. It is something like in the form of ripple. But if I want to show you again the output voltage, let me show you. So you can see here this is output voltage which is coming very closer to 1.8 volt, right? If you want to current output current, let me show you the output current. Okay, so this is basically a output voltage and output current, right? So you can see both. You can see the output voltage is 1.8 volt and the output current is, this is red one is output voltage V out and pink one is load current or output current. So here you can see the current is around 600 milliampere and you can see your output voltage is 1.8 volt. That means your data sheet is saying you can draw up to 800 milliampere, but for this application I used only 600 milliampere. So you can see if you are drawing 600 milliampere current at the load, you see there is a no voltage dip. Okay, voltage is also fixed here. Okay, so hope you understand the how will you design the circuit for 1.8 volt power supply by using ADP2138 integrated circuit IC. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.